Hello and welcome to a closer look at the Pear Pearl Pendant Necklace for women, featuring a genuine cultured freshwater pearl of AAA+ quality. This elegant necklace showcases a single lustrous pearl paired with a durable 925 sterling silver chain measuring 18 to 19 inches, allowing you to adjust the length for the perfect fit. The combination of the radiant pearl and shimmering silver creates a timeless piece that enhances any outfit, from casual wear to formal occasions. Designed for versatility and sophistication, this necklace adds a touch of luxury to your jewelry collection effortlessly. Each pendant comes beautifully packaged in a sustainable gift box, making it an ideal present filled with love and care. Experience the classic charm and lasting brilliance of this stunning pearl pendant that promises to elevate your style. Trust in the quality craftsmanship that ensures your satisfaction with every wear. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.